If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. And today I am making the lemon loaf cake, which is really popular in one of the coffee house giant. And the recipe is really easy to make. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the lemon loaf cake are about 1 and 3/4 cup of refined flour or maida, which is roughly about 210 grams. Then little less than 1 cup of sugar, which is roughly about 180 grams. Then 1/3 cup of yogurt, half a cup of room temperature butter, which is roughly about 100 grams. Then 3 eggs, a teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, quarter teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is roughly of 1.5 lemons. Then what they are using is a lemon extract, which not only gives flavor but also the smell. So for the smell, what we can do is use some lemon zest, only the top yellow portion of it, a small amount. Then take a bowl and in that first add all the sugar, the room temperature butter and the salt. Now combine these really well. You can either whisk or use a hand blender. Then after they are well combined, add single egg at a time and mix it up really well. Then after it's well combined, add the second one. And what will happen if you add all three at once, it will make a curdly texture and it will be lot thinner. And if you are not using a hand blender, it will be way more difficult to make the aeration in the eggs, which helps to soften the cake or the loaf. So add one at a time and beat it or mix it up, then add another. Then after these are well combined, add the yogurt, oil, vanilla essence and half of the refined flour. So mix it up again. Then after about a couple of minutes, add the rest of the refined flour or maida. If you add all at once, you will lose out the aeration. So for that, add the refined flour in 2 batches. And after it's well combined, finally add the lemon juice, and to get the perfect color, I'm gonna use some yellow food color, just a pinch of it, and mix it up again for the final time. And also remember, do not add the lemon juice before. If it combines with the yogurt, then the consistency or the texture of the mixture will be a lot different. Now take a bread tin and before pouring the mixture, you can grease some butter and dust some flour, else use a parchment paper to cut and align properly. So it will be easy for you to remove the cake from the pan after it's done. Now slowly and gently pour all the mixture. And that's it, the lemon loaf cake. Do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.